In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to host a meeting in Microsoft Teams. We'll start right from the browser, so you don't need the desktop app for this walkthrough. First, open your browser and go to the Microsoft Teams site. If you're not already signed in, log in with your work or school account so you can access all the meeting features. Once Teams has loaded, look for the main navigation area where you can switch between different sections. Here, find and click on the Events section. This is where you can create and manage scheduled meetings or events you want to host. On the Events page, look for the option to create something new, then click on Create Event. This opens up a form where you'll set up all the details for your meeting. Take a moment to think about what kind of meeting you're running so you can fill everything out clearly for your attendees. In the event details, you'll see several fields and options, often highlighted or marked as required. Start by clicking into the title field and typing in a clear, descriptive name for your meeting. A good title helps people instantly understand what the session is about. Next, click on the highlighted areas for date and time. Choose the day your meeting will take place, then set the start and end times. Make sure the time zone is correct, especially if your participants are in different regions. Continue through the highlighted options. Select the appropriate meeting type or category if that's available. Set whether the meeting repeats or is a one-time event, and adjust any permissions, such as who can present or who can bypass the lobby. These settings help keep your meeting organized and secure. You'll also see a space to add a description. Click into that section and type a short agenda or any key points attendees should know before joining. This can include expectations, links to documents, or preparation steps. When you've filled out all the necessary highlighted fields and you're happy with your setup, look for the Send button and click on it. This will create the event and, if you've added participants, send them an invitation. After sending, you'll see an option to copy the meeting link. Click on Copy so you can paste the link into emails, chat, or anywhere else you need to share it. When you're done, click Close to exit the event details. Finally, if you're switching back to your work view, click on Business to return to your main Teams environment, where you'll see your newly created meeting ready to go.